So you want to dry your washed clothes, but it's winter and the weather isn't great. You're not a fan of tumble dryers nor washer dryers as you feel they shrink your clothes. Here's a neat little solution which will allow you to dry your clothes quicker inside the home. One solution is using a spin dryer to drain excess moisture out of your wet clothes without using any heat. This means it's a lot quicker to dry your clothes, minus the fear of shrunk clothes. This one is called Thomas Gravity Drain Spin Dryer and it comes with a loading capacity of 4.5 kg. Once you've unboxed, you'll need to remove the packaging found on the drum like so. Now before you load the spin dryer, make sure it's placed away from the wall in order to avoid any damage, as the spin dryer rattles a bit after it's turned on, which is normal. Add clothes one by one with the heaviest items first before placing the laundry guard on top of your clothes and inside the drum. And to avoid flooding your property, place a bowl underneath the spin dryer nozzle before turning on the machine in order to collect the excess water from your clothes. Although the rattling sound is slightly disturbing, it's normal as it's the machine started to spin your laundry. Once it picks up a bit of rhythm, the spin dryer stops rattling, although the noise is still quite loud. However, it's a small price to pay when you see the bowl below the nozzle filling up with excess water being stripped from your laundry. Turn the spin dryer off 2 to 3 minutes afterwards, or when you see that the machine isn't draining any more laundry moisture into the bowl. Once you've turned off the spin dryer, make sure to tip the machine slightly so that any remaining water inside the nozzle can flow into the bowl. And finally, remove your laundry, which will now contain significantly less moisture, meaning less time required for it to dry. And if you found it useful, leave a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions.